Hello Tabbers, my name is Mark. Welcome to my home. This is my 2015 Tab Max S trailer. Today is just a quick tech tip, a little bit of information. There have been lots of questions on the forum recently about this. These trailers come with a sticker that says, "Do not tow this trailer with a truck or van rated at more than 3/4 of a ton." But what does that mean? You'd think that a bigger truck could be a better truck. Well, that's not necessarily the case. So to help with the answer to the questions surrounding this this warning, we're going to go into the shop and I'm going to give you a little demonstration here. See you in a bit. Okay, here we are in the shop. This is my 2019 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. This particular truck has a carrying capacity of about 1,500 pounds. So technically it is a 3/4 ton pickup truck. But due to the tires that I have on it and stuff, most dealerships would call this a 1/2 ton pickup, even though it technically is a 3/4 ton. This is about the limit that New Camp wants you to be towing one of their smaller trailers with. So let's set up the tripod and we'll get at the demo. Okay, so I weigh about 175 pounds. So I'm a pretty good model of the actual tongue weight that my Tab Max S trailer will put on this. So if I stand on the back here, this is about as much weight as my truck experiences with my trailer hooked to it. Now watch when I jump. You see how the back of my truck is absorbing that shock? My shock absorbers are actually absorbing some of the energy here. Well, those of you that own a 3/4 ton truck or a 1 ton truck, if you stand on the back there and you jump on it, it doesn't budge. And that is the rub. The designers of these trailers, specifically the frames, they expect the back of this truck to give a little bit when you hit a hard bump. If you tow with a 1 ton truck or something larger than 3/4, that suspension is really stiff and all those shocks will just hit something hard. Instead of the suspension giving like it's supposed to, it'll just go gah, gah, and that can crack your frame. So real quick, that's all this is just an explanation about what that means and why when they say not to tow with anything larger than a 3/4 ton pickup. Anyway, see you later. Take care. Be safe.